morning, I'm Jim Woodward from Farmacy South. Welcome to our cover crop trial here at Pedmarsh. This cover crop trial has been sponsored by Essex and Suffolk Water, part of Northumbria Water. Drilled on the 27th of August. We're going to be assessing it through the season, doing some biomass counts, analysing that biomass so we can ascertain the real value of cover crops. We've done an in-depth soil test on this field prior to today and putting this cover crop in. That again was sponsored by Essex and Suffolk Water. We're going to be comparing the biological signature of this field with that of another field which has had a clover mix in it for 2 years. We hope to report the results from this test or this field trial at Agriculture and Water, which is an event that we're holding on the 22nd of November this year at Sudbury. There are still a few places available if you'd like to book into that. Ultimately, if there's enough to see at this demonstration site, I have an idea that we could organise a morning where people can come and have a look at these cover crops and see for themselves in a real farm situation what a cover crop put in after harvest can do for you and how it can grow and what the benefits are of adopting this kind of approach to farming.